It was me and him, just him and me. Riding with 2 felonies.
Today is my last day of Montgomery, guys. And she came to see me. She basically told me I was trying to down. And look, I'm breaking out. So I agree. Yeah. Thank you. Camera's on your
No. Hi vlog. The girl just caught me. Yeah, I'm so cute. Huh? I'm not.
Come on, let's go. Let me out.
Bye bye.
Okay, so boom, I'm here and I'm going inside to get an extra ring. I got this big old camera with me.
Me and Mark tried to get on the seesaw, but she didn't want to get on. She wanted to come back over here. You said it's too hot outside?
It's too hot outside.
You ready to go? Well, guys, we tried to play on the playground, but everything is just so hot, so we can't play. Like, everything is literally burning. And then instead over here the whole time. Okay, so they're saying the toll bridge way is the quickest way, which I thought the other way was the quickest way, but whatever. You want me to spend my money? I guess I will. Yeah. Y'all might end up falling. Sorry. There's nothing I can do about that. But yeah, and yesterday was a good day. Eric made me stay up till like I stayed up for a long time, probably like till 1. Usually, if you know me, I go to bed really early. I've only just started like going to bed late, and I don't know if I like that, cause I be so sleepy, and then I be getting like headaches, so that's why I be going to sleep early. But yeah. Hey guys, so I didn't record my morning process this morning because I was just really tired and I was really sore from practice yesterday. Like, I can barely even walk. Like, my armpits is sore and my butt is sore. Like, everything is sore. Like, don't know what that's all about. But yeah, today I don't have too much planned. Really, today is just like a chill day, so I might not record too much today. But especially since I'm going to work on my project and I don't want y'all to see that yet, I'm gonna make like a documentary for that. And yeah, and I'm gonna clean my room. But I'm not too much gonna do nothing today. But I'll let y'all like see me get my face and my edges and stuff together. Okay, so of course I'm gonna probably stretch and stuff, and then I think I'm gonna make me some grits because there's already shrimp in there, so I'm just gonna use shrimp and grits, like so deluxe, you know. No, not deluxe, luxurious. But yeah, I'm actually still tired, like so I may get back in the bed, take a little nap, then get my day started for real, for real. But yeah, like I said, I probably won't record too much today because y'all probably gonna be bored. But yeah. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't record at your practice. So I'm just tell you, okay? So cheer practice, I went to open gym first for All Stars, and that started at like 12. So I went there at 12 and stayed to 2, and then me and Marley and Jaden and Parker, we just went to get some food, and then me, Marley, and Jaden went to East Chase. You know, spent a little time over there. Then we came back to cheer practice like 30-20 minutes earlier, and then we just cooled off over there to practice. Practice starts for us at 5:30 and it's at 7:30. But yeah, that's what happened. Didn't do too much, you know. Well, we did obviously because I'm sore, but yeah. But yeah, that's all that happened yesterday. I didn't do too much either yesterday, but I did more than what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. This looks like good quality. Like, actually, this looks like good quality. It kind of, don't know. Something about you, girl, that just makes my world wanna turn. Y'all, and tomorrow I'm gonna get my phone fixed. Like, okay, but y'all, my phone has been broken for the longest, but it's like doing crazy stuff now, like really, really crazy stuff. So I'm getting it fixed tomorrow. Like, look at this. Don't, don't, don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. I'm being really vulnerable with you guys. Just remember that before you talk about me. But anyways, yeah, okay, let me go lay down for if I don't have no time to lay down. Okay, yeah, so now I'm gonna go to the hair store. Don't know, I just wanted to look, bringing my nana with me because she always just want to stay at home, but this is the time we need to be living your life. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the hair store. We was gonna go to Walmart, but we don't have to go anymore. So got my phone fixed. Like, What? But yeah. Right now I'm gonna go clean the kitchen, and then it should be time for me to go hit the cheer practice. I'm not gonna use my camera or my phone. Cause I can use my phone. That's you. But you know, I don't know. Okay, guys. So now I'm finna go to cheer practice. Yeah. Okay, I just finished that practicing. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay. Finna go home. Yeah, I just got my blanket out the dryer. Ooh, it feels so good. I can lay here all day. Hey vlog. So right now we at Target, finna get ready to go to a car show. This my sister. Listen, get in the camera.
I'm trying. I'm Paris.
She still didn't listen to me though because I told her to get some bangles.
I did not
And
want.
well, her anklet is cute though.
I don't want a bangle.
Okay, comment. When the bangle look better, it would look good with this. Bangles would look good with this.
I didn't want a bangle.
Comment. There you go. All right, cool. You already here. You ugly.
This is the ugly daughter.
I ain't ugly.
Well, you damn sure don't look like your ex.
Don't look at because I ain't ugly.
What, Tree Fest?
Yeah.
Tree Fest. Yeah, one of the festivities.
Have you enjoyed your time?
Yeah, he was just trying to get
It's a little hot, but
It's 105 degrees,
Thursday.
but it feels like 120.
It is 90. It is 93 degrees.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
If anything, it's 89 degrees.
That's 105.
Krista put some I think some 22s up there.